Pakistan may lose conventional war with India, says Imran Khan. I expected the world to react more on Kashmir, says Pakistani PM Imran Khan. World will be responsible for consequences if nuclear war takes place between India and Pakistan. Saudi Arabia halves oil production after Houthis drone strikes. World's largest refinery, Saudi Aramco. US and Saudi blames Iran. American senator warns Iran of severe consequences. Hyderabadi police gives helmets instead of challans to traffic violators. 3 Hyderabadi NRIs from same family dies in Oman car accident. Nadelas attends father's last rites in Hyderabad. Osama bin Laden's son, Hamza bin Laden, killed in US operation in Afghanistan. Modi government mulls selling Bharat Petroleum to foreign firm. Amit Shah's Hindi push sparks outrage among opposition. Pakistani singer who threatened PM Modi with snakes faces 2-year jail. India shares draft pact on Kartarpur corridor with Pakistan. Karnataka college principal breaks smartphones seized from students with hammer. Amid economic slowdown, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announces annual mega shopping festival. Tough time will pass, Nitin Gadkari on economic crisis. 2 nights before giving birth, I was playing tennis, says tennis star Sania Mirza. Over 1,500 flex banners pulled down by GHMC across Hyderabad. Actor Irfan Khan arrives back to India after surgery in London, hides his face from paparazzi as he returns to Mumbai airport. Gold toilet, which was once offered on loan to Trump, stolen from US palace. 3 years since demonetization, fake currency circulation increases manifolds, as per RBI reports. Donald Trump may be surprise guest at Trump Houston rally. Tollywood star Nagarjuna gifts PV Sindhu a swanky luxury car. Telangana government to auction land in Rangareddy for funds. Singer Ranu Mundal denies reports that Salman Khan gifted her 55 lakh house. Said would have trusted news if Salman Khan himself told her. Criticism never made me feel bitter or hostile, says Kangana. Toll Plaza employee collapses after man smashes tin drum on his head in Haryana. Telangana government will not permit uranium mining or its exploration in Nalamala, says KTR in Assembly. Rakhi Sawant to introduce her husband Ritesh on Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 13. That's it with cameraman Karim Khan.